What you doing? Are you baking a cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're baking a cake? All by yourself? Oh.
Well, the cake is in the oven there.
Oh, the cake's over here in the oven?
No, right here.
Oh, okay.
It's cooking.
Oh, it's cooking? And what kind of cake are you making?
Strawberry.
Strawberry cake?
Well, I had a little mess with that egg because it fall down and then the egg got literally fall down because I was trying to put the egg in there.
Oh. That's okay. That's easy to do. Oh, okay. Well, you got it all out, huh? You got the frosting. You got the egg. You got the oil. Oh, you used a lot of oil. Did you use that whole thing of oil almost?
No.
Oh.
That and those are all the eggs. This was the cake, and that was the cake, and that was the frosting for the cake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have to mix the frosting, the cake is the frosting. You have to mix this with the cake.
Oh, how's the egg, Murphy? Is that good? Oh, Murphy's cleaning up your mess.
Yeah, he's cleaning up his mess.
He's cleaning up your mess.
He's cleaning up my mess.
Yeah, they're licking all the stuff off the floor.
Would like that. And trying to help me. And trying to help me get that off there. What is this?
It's a surfboard.
Surfboard?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So how long before your cake is ready?
It's gonna be for... The lady says it's gonna be for 20 minutes. The lady said it's gonna be for 20 minutes right here. That guy says it's 20 minutes right from there.
Okay.
I have to take the movie out and then put it back in.
Okay. Thanks, Logan.